Hello Python coders. In this video we are going to see the Python code of Google Search Tool application. So let's start. So first we will import the Google Search module. Let me open the Windows PowerShell. Yes. And write pip install Google. Remember you need to write pip install Google, not Google Search. The module name is Google only. And hit enter. Yes, so it is saying requirement already satisfied as we expected. In your case, it will install the Google module. So let's close it and open our PyCharm. You can use any other IDE. Now let's create a new file. Let me call this Google Search Tool. Now what we will do, we will import the module. Import module. Now, since we are going to use only the search method of Google Search module, so we are going to import that only. So to do that, write from Google Search import search. Now we will print a welcome message. So print welcome to Google Search tool. And after this, we will take query from the user. So taking query, and for this you need to write query equals to input and ask the user what do you want to search on Google. And then we will run a loop and pass this query to search method. So write for I in search, we need to pass query, then start equals to 0 and stop equals to, let's say, 6. And now print I. This I denotes the link of website. So that is it. Let me run this application. So now let's search for coding and hopefully it will work. And as you can see, we have the list of 6 websites. Now let's try with changing the stop equals to next 10. And let's run this again. Let me type Python coding. And here we have the result. We have 10 websites. You can visit these websites by just clicking here. So if I click here, it will open the website. So that is it. In the next video, we are going to start with our next application. I'll see you there.